I like finding ways to make my daily routine easier. Weeknights can get busy, so I'm in the habit of keeping tacos in my regular dinner rotation. They're easy to make and everyone loves them. This week, I had more flour tortillas than usual, so we made burritos instead. I tossed in the last of my diced bell peppers and onion to avoid letting any food go to waste. It wasn't complicated or exciting, but it worked, and everyone at home was fed, which is what really matters most. Making things easier doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as simple as laying out your clothes the night before or running errands in one trip instead of spreading them throughout the week. At the end of the day, it's about doing what works best for you and taking small steps to reduce stress where you can. What's one thing you do to make your day easier? Take care, everyone.